Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in today's video I will tell you if you are getting this problem that startup repair could not repair your PC. So startup repair or automatic repair could not repair your PC. How you can fix this trouble I will tell you in this video. Many users are facing this problem on your PC. How you can fix this problem I will tell you. There are several ways to fix this problem. I will tell you. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel Pirozgar Engineer. So first way to fix this problem, you need to use startup repair. The first option you can try is to use startup repair, which is automatically detects problem and fix them. Depending on the several problem, it may or may not necessary. And second method to fix this problem you can uninstall the updates on your latest window. So if the updates failed, you need to uninstall all the updates, and after that if this does not work, what you need to do I will tell you. You need to check the disk, choose command prompt in the list of troubleshooting, get the current window installation drive later, which is either C, D or E, type BCDEDIT and press enter. Note the latter. Enter the command given below, chdisk xfr, and replace X with the current window install later. When done, you would see that output and restart the PC to check. So this way you can fix this problem. Hope you got valuable information. And if you want to know any further information regarding this matter, you can simply subscribe our channel. Thank you guys. That's it for today's video.